Okay, now then. So you use AND operator. Either we use AND operator or we use what? OR operator. Okay, then now let's see this here. Then so now, but suppose when we use AND, when we use OR, when we use AND operator, when we use OR operator, if both conditions needs to be satisfied, use AND. Both conditions needs to be satisfied, use AND. At least one condition should be satisfied, then use OR. Both must be satisfied, then use AND. At least one is satisfied, is okay, then use OR. Then suppose here, like student list, I want to find out who are passed, who are failed. Passed means what is the condition? He must get pass marks in all the subjects. If we get pass marks in all the subjects, then his result is pass. Yes or no? He should get pass marks in all the subjects. So he should get pass mark in subject 1. He should get pass mark in subject 2. He should get pass mark in subject 3. Then only his result is what? Pass. So then what should be the operator here? AND. So next, I want a list of students who are failed. When the student is said to be failed, if he is failed in any one subject, his result is also failed. If he get failed marks in any one subject, his result is failed. If he is failed in subject 1, or if he is failed in subject 2, or if he is failed in subject 3, his result is also failed. Okay, then. Next, I have written some examples on EMP table. So then, who are earning between 5,000 and 10,000. Salary should be greater than 5,000. Salary should be less than 10,000. What operator we use? AND. Who are joined in 2020. Who are working as clerk and earning more than 4,000. Job should be clerk and salary should be greater than 4,000. Job should be clerk, salary should be greater than 4,000. And employees working as clerk manager. So if employees clerk, select. If employees manager, select. If he is clerk, select. If he is manager, select. That means in these two conditions, at least one condition is satisfied, select. Then what are? ID 100, 103, 105. If ID is 100, select. ID 103, select. ID 105, select. So that means in three conditions, at least one condition is true, select. Okay, then now. But here, 1 second, here, just see this here. In this case, how many conditions you are writing? Here, in this case, how many salary between 5,000 and 10,000? How many conditions you are written? Two conditions. Salary 5,000, 10,000. Okay, na? Two conditions. Then now, so instead of writing two conditions, we can simplify this by using one operator. What that operator is? Between operator. We can use one operator. What that operator is? Between operator. See, what I'm introducing is how to write conditions. But when you're writing conditions, what you must know, what are the various operators? How to use different operators? How to write conditions using different operators? Okay, next, between operator. Now, use between operator. Okay, na? Use between operator. Then use between operator for range comparison. Use between operator for range comparison. Use between operator for range comparison. So whenever there is a comparison with range, use between. What the range means? Like suppose that 5,000 to 10,000. What this is? 5,000 to 10,000. What this is? Range. Age 30 to 40. What this is? Range. Year 2018 to 2020. What this is? Range. Year 2018 to 2020. This is what? Range. So whenever, so comparison is based on range, immediately should get one operator. What that is? Between operator. For different comparisons, SQL server is introduced different operators. Okay, then now, but how to use this? How to use this? What is the syntax? You have to use like this, where column name between value 1, value 2. Where column name between value 1, value 2. Where column name between value 1, value 2. Okay. Column name between value. This is the syntax you have to follow. Okay, then so like you want to use between, but how to use between you don't know. Just go and see the syntax. Okay, na? You want to use between, but how to use between you don't know. Just see the syntax. Then let's see. Suppose let's see our table. Like what I want is, so I'm asking like display employees earning between 5,000 and 10,000. Display employees earning between 5,000 and 10,000. How to write it? Select, okay, na? Employees earning between 5,000 and 10,000. Select star from EMP, where what? Salary. Column name, because your condition is based on sal. First you have to mention the column name. Next one, operator. So here comparison is range comparison. So use what? Between. Okay, na? Between what's it? 5,000 and 10,000. Sir, it is equivalent to what? Salary greater than or equals to 5,000 and salary less than or equals to what? 10,000. It is equivalent to this. This is equal to this. Greater than or equal to 5,000, less than or equals to 10,000. So this query selects all employees whose salary between 5,000 and 10,000. Okay, then. Okay, so let me run this. Let me run this query. Execute this query. Let me execute this query. Okay, then select star from EMP where sal between 5,000 and 10,000. It go to the table. Every query is executed in the same manner. Go to the table, go to one by one row, checks condition true or false. Okay, it go to the first one, 4,000. 4,000 is between 5,000 to 10,000. No. 8,000. Yes. 7,000. Yes. 5,000. Yes. Yes. It's equivalent to what? It's equal to what, sir? Greater than or equal to. Okay. That means 5,000, 10,000 is included or not included? Included. So this query returns all the employees whose salary between 5,000 and 10,000. Okay. Then Now next I'm asking, suppose display employees joined in 2020 year. Display employees joined in 2020 year. How? Were joined in 2020. Then if he joins in 2020, compulsory hire date will be between 1st January 20 to 31st December 20. Yes or no? If he joins in 2020 means compulsory hire date will be between 1st January to 31st December. Where what? Where what, sir? Hire date. Where hire date what? Between. Where hire date between what? Where hire date between what? Hire date between 1st January to 20 to 31st December. How to write it? 2020-01-01. This is 1st January. And 31st December 2020-12-31st. Okay. So in dates, what is the format we use? YYY, MM, DD. Year, month, day. Yesterday also we written these queries, but we have used greater than, less than. Instead of using greater than, less than, we can use what, sir? Between operator. Okay, then. Now, and now let's see. So this will return all were joined in 20. There are two. There are two employees joined in 2020. Yes or no? Then next. Suppose I'm asking display employees like age, okay, display employees who are not in 30 to 40 age group. Who are not in 30 to 40 age group. I want to find out employees who are not in 30 to 40 age group. What? 30 to 40 means range. 30 to 40 is range. Who are not in 30 to 40 age group. Then tell me what. Okay, then select star from EMP where age. Now condition based on age. Now we have to say where age. Previous one, condition based on hire date. Previous query, condition based on salary. Now condition based on age. Where age? Between 30 to 40 now, not between 30 to 40 now. Not in 30 to 40 age group. That means not between 30 to 40. Yes or no? Sir, every condition, this is the condition. You can make this condition negative. How to make the condition negative? By using not. By using what? Not operator. So age, what? Age what, sir? Age not between. Age not between what? Age not between 30 and 40. 30 and 40. Not between. Age not between 30 and 40. Okay, age like not between 30 and. You can make the condition negative. How to make the condition negative? By using not. Run this query. Then this query will select all were not between. So what is the age? 25. 25 is between 30 to 40 now, not between 30 to 40 now. Not between. Selected or not? Yes. 30? No. 30? No. 32? No. 28? Yes. 35? No. Because it's between. Okay. Then. So run this query. There are two. 25, 28. Okay, then. So we can also make it negative by using not. Okay, now then. So when we use between, range compare, price between 10,000 and 20,000, immediately should get between operator. Now, next, let's see this here. So employees working as clerk manager. Have you written this query? Job equals to clerk or job equals to manager. So if job is clerk, you want. If your job is manager, select. So you write two conditions, one for clerk, one for manager. ID equal to 100, 103, 105. How many conditions you have written? 3. ID equal to 100, ID equal to 103, ID equal to 105. How many conditions you have written? 3 conditions. You have written 3 conditions. Now, so then you written 3 conditions. But if I give 3 values, you write 3 conditions. If I give 10 values, okay, na? If I give 10 values, 10 conditions. If I give 10 employee IDs, I given 3 IDs, you written 3 conditions. If I give 10 IDs, 10 conditions. Writing 10 conditions is difficult or not? Yes. How to simplify this? Okay, na? So here it is comparison based on what, sir? List. What this is called? List. This is called list. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4 means what is that is called? List. 1 to 10 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is list. 1 to 5 is range. If I give list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is what? List. 1 to 5 is range. Okay. For range comparison, between operator. For list comparison, one operator is introduced. What that is called? In operator. In operator. Now, use in operator. Use in operator for list comparison. Use in operator for list comparison. For range comparison between, for list comparison in. Okay, then that means like use in operator for equal to comparison with multiple values. Then use in operator for equal to comparison with multiple values. Use in operator for equal to comparison with multiple values. Okay, then so like for example, you write column name equal to value 1, value 2, value 3, so on. What is this is invalid. Why? Because see, equal to is used to compare with only one value. After equal to, you cannot write multiple values. After equal to, you cannot write what? Multiple values. Equal to is used to compare with only one value. But I have got multiple values. When you got multiple values, then use what? In. If you got single value, use equal. You got multiple values, use in operator. Job equal to clerk. Then we can use what? Employee working as clerk. Then equal to job equal to clerk. Employee working as clerk, manager, analyst. Then in operator. Try to understand. Employee working as clerk. Then employee working as clerk. Then equal to, where job equal to clerk. employee working as clerk, manager, analyst, then in operator. Okay, so how to use this? Where column name in value 1, value 2, value 3, so on. This is valid. So by reading the requirement, you should be able to identify. By reading the requirement, you should be able to identify. For this, I have to use in operator. For this, I have to use between operator. So if you can able to identify, so you can able to write conditions easily. Okay, now you can also make it negative. How to make it negative? Not in value 1, value 2, value 3, so on. You can also make it negative by applying not. Okay, then okay, then now let's see. Suppose here, then let's see. So display employees working as clerk, manager. Display employees working as clerk, manager. Okay, then employees working as clerk, manager. How to write it? Select what? Star. Select star from EMP. Okay, then employees working as clerk, manager. So I want clerk records, I want managers. Then select star from EMP. Next what? From EMP, where what? Job. Can I write job equal to clerk, manager? Can I write like this? Job equal to clerk, manager? No, I cannot write. Why? Because here how many values? Two values. I can't use equal to operator. I must use in operator. Okay, now then job in clerk, manager. If job equals to clerk, selected. If job equals to manager, selected. If job is clerk, selected. If job is manager, selected. Then, so this will return then who are working as clerk, manager. So run this here, then run this. Now there are three. So two working as clerk, one working as manager. Okay, then if I add analyst, analyst is also selected or not? Yes. Okay, then next, suppose here, then same thing, display employees whose ID equals to 100, 103, 105. Then same thing, ID equals to 100, 103, 105. Then what? Then what this is? Select star from EMP, where ID ID, I given three IDs. If ID equal to 100, select 103, select 105, select. Then we have to use in operator. This is called list. Whenever it is based on list, use in. Yeah. Unique ID means whatever IDs are given, that ID. What is unique? What is duplicate? Not unique. You give 100 also, again, no problem. But what is the use? No use. You can give 100 also. 100, 103, 105. Then if you give like this, then what? Then what? Then 100, 103, 105. Okay, na? But what is the use? Okay, then. So then, so this returns if ID is 100, selected. ID 103, selected. ID 105, selected. Okay, now then. So like sometimes I'll ask like this: employees not working as clerk manager. I want to find out employees not working as clerk manager. Then I want to find out employees not working as clerk manager. Then what? Then what? Select a star from EMP where what job? Not in, not in clerk comma manager. And where job not in clerk manager. Okay, then not working as clerk manager. So it will show analyst. Okay, something other than clerk manager. It will show other than clerk manager, analyst. Okay, then okay now then. That's all. This is what how to use in operator. How to use it. Okay, then clear now. When we use between, when range comparison between. So if I give 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then in operator. If I give 10 to 50, then range between. Okay, then two. So there are two operators. Okay, na? Then now next, like let's see. So suppose for example, okay, I'm asking something like this. So display employees working as clerk manager. Okay, then so I want to see the employees working as clerk manager. Okay, working as clerk manager and earning between, earning between 5,000 and 10,000 and joined in 2021 year, joined in 2021 year, then and age between 20 and 30. This is my query. Working as clerk manager, earning between 5,000 and 10,000, joined in 2021 year, age between 20 and 30. Okay, now. Done. So sometimes you come across applying what's that multiple conditions. Okay, then now select star from EMP where first condition working as clerk manager. How to write it? Job in, job in. Then job in clerk comma manager. Okay, job in clerk comma manager. Okay, what is the next condition? And another one, and earning between 5,000 and 10,000. Then salary between 5,000 and 10,000. That's all. Second condition. First condition working as clerk manager. Second condition earning between 5,000 and 10,000. Another one joined in 2020. Again end. Then what? Hide date. How to write joined in 2021? That's what here we have written already. So joined in 2021. Joined in 2020. So joined in 2021 means if he joins in 2021, compulsory hide date will be between 1st January to 31st December. Now, then how to write hide date between then 2021 next 0101 next and next 2021 12/31. Okay, next one and what's it? Sir, 1 second. Just add here age. What is that is? Age not between what's it? 20 and 30. Okay, na? Age not between 20 and 30. Then tell me how to write it. Age not between 20 and 30. That's all. Job must be clerk manager. Salary must be 5,000 and 10,000. Joined in 2021. Age not between 20 and 30. Okay, now then. That's all. So run this query. Okay, then. So which one is selected? Which one is selected? The one which satisfies all 4 conditions. Which row is selected? The row that satisfies all 4 conditions, that is selected. Yes or no? Okay, then. Now, even if I give 20 conditions also, you have to write like this. Okay, then. Now, so let's go to the first one. Okay, this is the first employee. What is the job? Clerk. First condition true na false? First condition true na false? True. Next, salary 4,000. Second condition false. Selected or not selected? Not selected, because all conditions should be satisfied or not? Yes, because we are using end, all must be satisfied. Next one, analyst. Second condition, first condition what's that? False, not selected. Next one, manager. First condition true. First condition true. Salary 7,000. Second condition true. Joined in 2021. Joined in 2021. Okay, na? Third condition true. Age is 20 to 30 now. Our age is 20 to 30, but is 30. False or true now? False. not between 20 and 30, but is 30 na? So condition what, sir? False. Okay, then his age is 30 bars, but our requirement is not between 20 and 30, but his age is 30. Yes, not selected. Next, go to the next one. What is the job? Clerk. First condition true, 5,000. Second condition true, 21. Third condition true, age 32. Fourth condition also true. So this is the only record in the table satisfying all four conditions. Job is clerk, salary is 5,000, joined in 2021, age is 32. Yes, now, so run this query, then execute this query. Now see this output, there is only one. Okay, then understood. Now okay, now, so this is how to write. Okay, then you tell me just one example, just let's say one more example. Just see, you tell me, there is a table, products table. Product what's her name? Product what? Price. Product what's her category? Product what's her brand? Products table is there, product ID, product name, product price, category. Category means product category. Mobile phones are like electronics are, mobile phones are, furniture are, what is that is. So product category. Now this is the table. This table contains number of products. So my query is, what is that is? Display like list of what's it, like display list of what's it, mobile phones. Okay na? Price between what? Okay, 10,000 and 20,000, and brand equals to, brand equals to, okay, then Realme, next one Redmi, next one Samsung. This is the query given. This is the requirement. I want to see the list of mobile phones, price between 10,000 and 20,000, brand equal to Redmi, Realme, Samsung. And tell me what, how to write it. Select star from, select star from products. Next, where? Apply the condition. Where condition? Where what? Price should be between, next one, first one, mobile phones. Mobile phones. He's not asking all products. He's asking only mobile phones. Then category. Mobile phones is category. Yes or no? What is the first condition? Category equals to mobiles, like whatever mobiles. Then next one, and what? Price between 10,000 and 20,000. How to write it? By using between operator. Price between 10,000 and 20,000. Next one, and brand equals to Redmi, Realme, Samsung. And then what? Brand in what? Realme, comma Redmi, comma what's it? Samsung, like this. That's it. So category is mobiles, price between 10,000 and 20,000, brand equals to Realme, Redmi, Samsung. That's all. So this is one scenario. Another example is, a previous one is based on employee table, but this is based on products table. Okay, then okay, then Okay. Now, so to explain the concept, I'm taking employee table, product table like that. After getting into companies, getting into project, you write queries on employee table, product table. You write queries on employee table, product table. No, not sure, not guaranteed. Your project is sales project. Maybe you write queries on products table, customer table like that. But depends on the project. If project is bank project, you write queries on banking tables. Project is what? The project is like insurance project. You write queries related to the insurance. What differs from classroom to real-time project? Yet, what is the difference? Yet classroom and real-time. What is the difference is tables may be different. Tables may be different. Columns may be different. Fields may be different. This tables may be different. Fields may be different. But concept remains same or not? Yes. Between in that remains same. Maybe different fields. Like you go to banking project. Okay, now then. So banking, they store transactions. Every customer transaction is recorded in database. Maybe after 1 month, you go to the bank, you ask for, sir, 1st December to 30th December, you want statement. You want statement between 1st December to 30th December. Then what? A background, there are a query. Select a star from transactions where transaction date between 1st December 2021 and 31st December 2021. Okay, na? That's all. Maybe tables may be different, fields may be different, but conditions, what's it? Same. So if you go to real time, you won't come across any different operator, which you are not seen in the classroom. You come across same operator, same thing, but maybe tables may be different, fields may be different. Now, one is there, another operator. What is that operator is? Like operator. Like operator. Like. When we use like operator, okay, use like operator for pattern comparison. Use like operator for pattern comparison. Between operator for range comparison. In operator is for list comparison. Like operator is for pattern comparison. Okay. Between is for range. In is for list. And like is for pattern comparison. Okay. Then. So now, how to use this? How to use this? Okay. How to use? Now you have to use like this. Where column name? What is that is? Like what's that? Pattern. Where column name like pattern. Okay. Like where column name like pattern. Where column name not like pattern. Pattern should be given in single quotes. You have to give the pattern in single quotes. Pattern should be given in single quotes. Then question is, what is this pattern is? What you don't know? You don't know this pattern. What this pattern is? Okay. Then suppose, for example, sometimes like you take names. Name is not given. Name is not given. What is given to you? Pattern is given. Like name equal to Vijay. So you don't need like operator. Ename, where ename equal to Vijay. Okay, na? But sometimes name is not given. What is given? Pattern is given. Name starts with S. Name ends with S. Name contains S. Starts with S. Ends with S. Contains S. Okay, na? Then second character A. The second character is A. So what are these? Starts with S, ends with S, contains S. What is this? Is pattern. So when conditions based on pattern, then use what? Like operator. Okay. Then so if it is based on name, you can use equal to. But when it is based on pattern, then use what? Like operator. Okay. Then so then now next, let's see here. Actually, see then let's see this here. But what is this pattern is? Okay, what this pattern? Then so pattern, the consist of what is this pattern contains? The pattern contains what? What this pattern contains? Alphabets, digits, wildcard characters. Pattern contains alphabets, digits, wildcard characters. Okay, pattern contains alphabets, digits, wildcard characters. You know alphabets, you know digits, but what you don't know is wildcard characters. You know alphabets, you know digits, but alphabets means A to Z. Digits means 0 to 9. What you don't know is wildcard characters. So what are the wildcard characters? There are two. Okay, then wildcard characters. There are two wildcard characters. One is percentage, another one underscore. One is percent, another one underscore. One is percent, another one underscore. Then so there are two wildcard characters. You'll understand after taking the examples what is percent, what is underscore. Okay, then when we use percent for 0 or many characters, and we use underscore for exactly one character. Percent is for 0 or many characters and underscore is for exactly one character. Percentage is for 0 or many characters and underscore is for exactly one character. This is like percent and underscore. Okay, now let's see examples. Then, and one more thing is like this is what's it? This is like brackets. We use brackets. When we use brackets, square brackets, to specify group of characters. Brackets, we use brackets to specify group of characters. Then when you want to specify group of characters, we use brackets. Okay, let's see example. Then suppose I'm asking like display, okay, employees, name starts with S, then what? I want to find out employee's name starting with S. Then display employee's name starts with S. Then what? And what? I not given the name. I given only the starting character. Starts with S. Starting character is given. Full name is not given. Yes. Then here you have to use what operator? Like operator. So select star from EMP where what? Ename like. Select star from EMP where ename like what? Ename like what? Select star from EMP where ename like. Okay, na? Ename like what? Starts with what, sir? Yes. First character is S. First character is S. I don't know remaining characters. I know the first character is S. I don't know remaining characters. And the remaining characters can be how many? Sir, S is the first character, boss. We don't know remaining characters. How many characters? We don't know. Okay, na? We don't know how many characters. After S, how many characters? We don't. So when you don't know number of characters, we don't know what characters are there after S, then use percent. When you know the characters, then use what? Underscore. After S, how many characters you know, then use underscore. You don't know, then use percent. So I know first character S. After S, I don't know how many characters are there. Then use what? Percent. S percentage. What is the meaning? Name starts with yes. Then. So now it goes to the table, like it goes to the table and find the employees whose name matching to this pattern. It goes to the table, finds employees whose name is matching to this pattern. If name is matching to this pattern, selected. If name is not matching, not selected. So go to the table. This is the actual table. This is the actual table. You see that this is the actual table. First one, Sachin. Is Sachin is matching to this pattern? Yes. Because in Sachin also first character is S. In pattern also first character is S. So Sachin is matching? Yes. Ajay? No. Vijay? No. Ravi? No. Venkat? No. Sindhu? Yes. So there are two persons matching to this pattern. Then what? Okay, na? Then. Understood? Now. Next. Like suppose, for example, like suppose here, like display employees name ends with Y something. Display employees name ends with Y. Display employees name ends with Y. So in previous example starts with, here ends with. Then what? So select star from EMP. What you know? You know last character. What is given? Last character is given. What is the last character? Y. And what you don't know? Characters before Y. Yes, some characters are there before Y. What characters are there before Y? You know? You don't know. Then when you don't know, then percentage. Okay, then. Sir, understood now? Then. Now, so next one. Like, let me run this here. It go to the table and go to one by one record, checks, then execute this query. So there are two employees name ending with Y, Ajay and Vijay. Okay, then next. And display employees name what? Display employees name. Okay, display employees name. Name contains A. Name contains A. Name contains A. Okay. If A is there, select. If name contains A, select. A can be anywhere. A can be first. A can be last. A can be in the middle. Anywhere. Okay. Na? Then how to write it? How to write? A can be anywhere. A can be first. A can be last. A can be in the middle. Some characters exist what, sir? Before A. Some characters exist what? After A. Maybe some characters exist before A. Maybe some characters exist after A. How to write it? Percent A, next percent. Percent A, percent. Some characters exist before A. Some characters exist after A. How many characters exist before A? We don't know. Then percentage. After A, how many characters exist? We don't know. Then percent. Okay, now? Then. Sir, like, okay, then. Now. Sachin is matching to this pattern. Yes. Sachin is matching or not matching? Matching. Sachin is matching. Sachin contains A. Yes. Okay, na? Next. Ajay is matching to this pattern. Yes. Vijay is matching to this pattern. Yes. Vijay is matching. Yes. Ravi is matching. Yes. Venkat is matching. Yes. Sindhu is matching. No, not selected because Sindhu doesn't contain A. Yes. Then. So there are what, like 5 employees satisfying this condition. Then it returns all 5. Sachin, Ajay, Vijay, Ravi, Venkat. In all these names, A is at what's it? A is there in the name or not? Yes. Okay. Then. But in this example, I given name should contain A. But next my requirement is, so A is at particular position. Okay. Here A can be anywhere. Yes or no? A can be anywhere. First star, last star, middle, it can be anywhere. But suppose here, sometimes what's it? I'll give the exact position of A. Okay. So suppose employees, what? Employees where A is the second character in their name. Okay. A is the second character in their name. A is the second character in their name. What? Then. A is the second character in their name. Okay. What? So suppose here, if A is the second character means how many characters are before A? 1 character. So what I said, if you know the number of characters, use underscore. If you don't know how many characters, use percent. And before A, I know 1 character is there. Then use 1 underscore. 2 characters are there. Then 2 underscores. 1 character, 1 underscore. 2 characters, 2 underscores. And after A, how many characters? After A, how many characters? We don't know. A is at second position. Before A, 1 character. After A, how many? We don't know. Then percentage. And it goes to the table, find out where A is at second position. Okay. Then. Now. Sachin is selected. Yes or no? Sachin is selected. Yes. Ajay is selected. Ajay is selected. No. Vijay is selected. No. Like Ravi is selected. Yes. In Ravi, A is at second position. Venkat is selected. No. That's all. Okay, na? So in this, A is at second position. So the A is at second position means how many characters are there before A? 1 character. So how to replace that 1 character? 1 underscore. Okay, na? Then now, sir, if I say, okay, then once again, let me run this. Then So underscore a percent. Yes. Then so run this here. There are two. Sachin and A is at third position. Then tell me how you write. A is at third position. That means before A, how many characters? Two characters. How to replace the two characters? Two underscores. One underscore means one character. So A is at third position means before A, two characters are there. How to replace the two characters? Two underscores. So Ajay. In Ajay, A is at third position or not? So at third position, there is a character A. Yes? Then. Okay, na? Now. So, but suppose I'm asking, for example, like employees, what, where A is the second character from last. A is the second character from last. Then A is the second character from last. Okay, na? Then from last, A is the second character. Yes. Then, sir, A is at second position from last. After A, how many characters are there? After A, how many? A is at second position means after A, how many? One character. One character. Before A, how many? Sorry, A is at second position from last means after A, one character underscore. Before A, how many? We don't know. Then percentage. That's all. Okay. Done. Oh. At a time, two or more, you can use, but you have to follow the syntax. And like we have used it now. This in this example, we used it. Okay, na? But you cannot write like this. You cannot write between like this. You cannot write between like, you cannot write between in like this. You cannot write it. When you write conditions, compulsory should follow the syntax. When you use between, compulsory you have to where column name between value 1 and value 2. Where column name in, like you have to follow the syntax. But you can't write where column name between like in like something like this. You cannot write like this. Understood? Then so then now so there is a name Ajay. Okay, na? Then, so percentage underscore A. Second character, what's that? A. Second character is A. Ajay, Vijay, Venkat. In all these names, A is at what? Second character from last. Okay, na? Then now next. Suppose, for example, like a question asked like this. What that question is? They given a query. Select star from EMP where job. Select star from EMP where job in. What that they given? Clerk percent man percent. They given the query. They asked, what is the output of this query? They given the query. What is this query returns? One, answer A. Error. B, returns only clerk, returns clerk comma manager. C, returns only clerk. D, none. Okay, what is the answer? Then Select star from EMP where job in clerk percentage man percentage. Then what? Clerk and managers, because manager is satisfying this now. Manager contains man. Yes. What you think? What is the output you expect? Clerk, manager. Okay. Answer is C, not B. That's all. See, they in like written test, they try to mislead. They try to what, sir? Mislead. You see the percentage. You think that manager is satisfying this pattern. Manager is also selected, but you don't see the operator. Sir, here operator is not like. Operator is what, sir? In. When percentage is treated as wildcard character, sir, when this is treated as pattern, if operator is like, this is not pattern now. This is value. It's not pattern. When it is treated as pattern, if you use operator one, like operator, then it is treated as pattern. Then you'll get manager also. But now it is not pattern. Now it is value, because you are using what? In operator. So then, so job equals to clerk, job equals to percentage man percentage. Any job is there, percentage man percentage? No. What is the output? Only clerk. That's all. Understood now? Then not only you see this, you have to see this operator also. Okay. So it's not, now it is not pattern. It is only value. Now let's see, execute this query. What this query returns? Only clerk. It's not selecting what's her manager. Okay. Then, but you will not get error. Why you will not get error? Syntactically, right? What is the syntax of in? In value 1, value 2, like this. You given value 1, you given value 2. Syntactically right. Logically wrong. Understood? Then that's the answer is what, sir? C. Okay, na? Then okay then. So we'll continue this tomorrow. Huh? Tomorrow they are not declared any holiday. If they declare, okay, but they are not declared any holiday. Huh? If strength is like this, I'll continue the class. Same to you. Huh? If not like this, I'll like clear the doubts. Okay, na? Okay. Then okay. Then sir, regarding unmute option, okay, like you can carry on. Regarding unmute option, you talk to the what, like Sham. Okay, na? One contact number is given, na? You talk to Sham. Okay, then you talk to Sham. I'm adding the notes to Google Classroom. You can download the notes from Google Classroom. But for unmute option, you talk to Sham. Okay, then. Server DBA की server DBMS see, there won't be server DBMS, there won't be server DBA will be there, database administration. That's all. There won't be anything server DBA, server DBMS like this. There will be a DBA, database administration. Database will reside in the server. Okay, na? You administrate the database. Administrating the database means administrating the server only. If Sham is not responding, then I can't do anything, boss. He's the in charge for your batch. Okay, na? He's the in charge for your batch. So technical problems I can, okay, na? Technical like SQL server problems I can respond. But this is for these options, they have to do that. So to download notes, first you have to add to the Google Classroom. That's what you talk to the Sham. Okay, then Sham will add your Sham will add you to Google Classroom. He will add. Then you contact him to add, how to add. Okay. Oh. Hmm? బస్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు? ఓకేనా, అన్ని క్వరీస్ ఉంటున్నాయి, ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ క్లిక్ చేస్తున్నావు, అన్ని క్వరీస్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి. అందుకని ఆ క్వరీ ఒక్కటే సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయి. ఓకేనా, అది క్వరీ ఉంటుంది, అది సబ్ క్వరీ. ఓకేనా, అది ఇప్పుడు ప్రెజెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ మీరు అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోరు, సబ్ క్వరీ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, చూద్దాం చూద్దాం అన్నీ వస్తాయి, లైక్ అప్డేట్ కమాండ్. ఓకేనా, విల్ సీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, విల్ సీ వన్ బై వన్. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు కమాండ్ వస్తే ఆ కమాండ్ ఏంటి అనేది టక్కని నాకు చూపించాలి అంతే. యాక్చువల్గా నువ్వు ఇట్లా క్రియేట్ కావట్లేదు అంటే నేను సొల్యూషన్ చెప్పలేను. నువ్వేం చేసావు, సార్ నేను ఈ కమాండ్ టైప్ చేశాను, ఈ ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది. ఓపెన్ కానీ విండోస్ కానీ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ సర్వర్తో కానీ అనవసరం. ఓకేనా, నువ్వు కమాండ్స్ వర్క్ అవుతాయి ఎక్కడైనా. ఓకేనా, నువ్వు ఎస్ఏ లాగిన్ ఇస్తేనే వర్క్ అవుతాయి అనుకోవద్దు, విండోస్ కూడా వర్క్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, అదే నువ్వు ఏంటి అంటే నీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ వచ్చింది అనుకో, నువ్వు ఒకటే చూపి నాకు ఈ కమాండ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేశాను, ఈ ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది, ఏమంటే నేను సొల్యూషన్ ఇస్తాను. సార్ నేను టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు, ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది అంటే నేను చెప్పలేను. అది నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైనా నీకు ఒకటే గుర్తు. సో ఈ కమాండ్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్, ఈ ఎర్రర్ వచ్చిందంటే నేను ఏమంటే ఇమీడియట్ సొల్యూషన్ ఇస్తాను. ఓకేనా, నీకు ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉంటే రెడీగా నువ్వు పెట్టుంచు. క్లాస్ అయిపోయి నీకు ఎర్రర్ వచ్చింది, నువ్వు క్లాస్ అయిపోయే లోపు 8:45 లోపు నువ్వు రెడీకి పెట్టు. ఓకేనా, మనం చూసి నేను చెప్పొచ్చు. అది యా మేబీ 11th అట్లా, 11th నుంచి ఉండొచ్చేమో. 11th అదే 11th నుంచి అట్లా బుక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. yes yeah okay guys, bye, see you tomorrow.